Hey guys, so this video is a little different. Shocker, I'm making pants again out of this really cool toil fabric. I think that's what it's called. But it matches my white and red ones, but it's just a darker print. And I wanted to do a voiceover just because I wanted to get this done. Like whenever I try to film everything at the same time and talk, it just never works. But here I am putting in my darts first on my back pant, and then I'm going to do the same for the front. Normally I save the darts for after I put things together, but then it gets too confusing, so I just wanted to get it out the way first. And now I'm just sewing them in. Whenever you do your darts, it's always best to like tie knots at the end instead of back stitching. You will backstitch at the front though, but then when you get to the very end, you'll just keep going. Leave some loose thread so that way you can tie it in a nice little knot. Yeah, your boy is actually using an iron to press out my darts. I found that like honestly, ironing makes sewing so much easier. And I used to like not want to do that, but now I do. But anyway, I am sewing the two backs together, right sides facing, to go ahead and complete the backs. After I completed that, I'm then pressing the seams open, which leads to like a better finished pant. And then now I'm figuring out where the heck to put the zipper. The zipper actually caused me so much trouble this time around with making the pant, even though I'm kind of just zooming through the whole process. It truly was not easy, but that's because I was just kind of winging it. There are multiple ways to put in zippers, and I tried to use a combination of two different ones, and it just didn't work. LOL. But anyway, this is me putting in the zipper and sort of struggling, even though you can't tell that I'm struggling. I tried to put a zipper cover in this time around, and it would have worked if I didn't mess up on this part, because then it just got all sorts of wonky. And I didn't want to undo the stitch on the front because this fabric, you could see where the needle kind of punches through. So if I would have took the threads out to start over, it would have left a weird mark. So through my frustration, I just went ahead and moved on to the pockets. Iron them down, make sure they're crisp. That's the whole front. Now I'm combining front and back together, right sides facing, just kind of trying to get through it. 10 points to you if you can guess what time it is at this moment. I will let you know. It is after 12. That's a quick little fit test. And also where I realized that I cut the back out upside down. LOL. Now I'm fitting the waistband onto the pant. As you can tell at this point, I'm just ready to get it over. But honestly, the waistband is the best part for me because that means I'm almost done. And here I am sewing it all together. And then I think you get to see me IRL because I actually recorded something after I finished this, I think.
Hello, you get to see my face now because I'm finished and less stressed. But I just finished the pants. I won't even tell you what time it is right now. And also, I don't know when this video will go out, but as you can tell, this is a new little space. And I got a studio space, which is super cool. Very excited. And I got that couch for $15. But I'll go into a deeper video soon. I just wanted to get something up for you guys because I haven't posted a video in a while. So I just decided to make some pants out of that toil. I don't know how to say it, but T-O-I-L-E fabric. I found some more. It's just a darker shade. So I made some pants. I'm wearing them right now with a little fit. Oh, and also, you probably don't know this either, but I made this vest to sell. I'm very excited. With Happily Dressed. Oh, can you see that? Yeah, it has a logo on there, super cool. There's a pocket, it's quilted on the inside, and it's reversible. Super excited. I'll put a link to it down below if you want to check it out or buy it. And I'll also make another video about that. So basically my camera died last night, and it is now the next night. I went thrifting, found this green hoodie, which I'm so excited about, but it matches the outfit I was wearing yesterday when I was about to show you guys the finished look. Also gonna close my room door because it's very messy. But anyway, so I had it with the Your Open Heart vest, or the Yo vest, etc. Beanie, not my favorite, but my hair is not looking great right now. And then these are the pants in their entirety. The cool thing is that they kind of like camouflage. And one thing I did on accident was cut the fronts out upside down, which I did not mean to do because the back is right side up. But I didn't realize that I did that until after it was done. But I kind of like it because it gives it a whole new texture to me. So it feels like camo in some places. Like this is a very like hunter vibe in my opinion. If you know like Reese Cooper, he just like released a whole brand kind of centered around like this color scheme and kind of the whole utility style, which I thought was super cool. But anyway, I like love these pants. I have a cute little button detail on them right here. There you go. Now you can see it. Anyway, that's the end of this video. I just wanted to give you guys something super quick, so that way you guys didn't think I was like gone for good. But yeah, basically, small update. Moved into a new studio, released my first item for sale, which I'm so excited about. And just a lot more coming. I hosted my first workshop this Saturday, and I'm very excited. So making big moves, but I haven't forgot about you guys. So yeah, more videos coming soon. See you guys later.